Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cola gummy bears. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of your preferred cola, 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. For that authentic tangy taste, have a small amount of citric acid on hand. Make sure your gummy bear molds are clean and ready to go. This simple recipe brings a classic candy right to your kitchen. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your cola into a saucepan and evenly sprinkle the gelatin powder over the top. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. This allows the gelatin to bloom and thicken properly. Next, place the saucepan over low heat, stirring continuously until the gelatin completely dissolves. Add the granulated sugar and continue stirring until it's fully incorporated into the liquid. Avoid boiling the mixture. With your mixture ready, it's time to fill those molds. Carefully pour the warm cola mixture into your gummy bear molds. For smaller, more intricate molds, a dropper or syringe can be incredibly helpful for precise filling, preventing any spills. Once filled, transfer the molds to the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for a minimum of 2 hours or until they are completely firm and set. Patience is key here for perfect gummies. Once fully set, gently pop your cola gummy bears out of their molds. They should release easily if properly chilled. Store your delightful homemade treats in an airtight container at room temperature or in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness. They are best enjoyed within 7 days. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your sweet, chewy creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.